Hey guys, Troy Casey, Super Cyberspace Psycho Chicken here in Sedona, Arizona, and I'm so excited about life. Featuring the local Juicery. It's a superfood hub where you can get all your nutrition, your micronutrition, get all boosted up for the trails, or once you come back from the trails and you need more hydration, you come in here. It's all organic, superfoods. Mike's been around for a while. We're gonna interview him a little bit later, but usually I come here for an acai bowl, either before or after the gym, or a ginger shot. Ginger shot or a wellness shot, really to get my energy as high as possible. I need those minerals, vitamins, and enzymes on a regular and constant basis, always and forever, and I recommend you do the same. And so come on into the local Juicery, the local watering hole. So they've got some beekeepers, my homies from LA, Superfoods. They got my other man's Sun Potion. They got his stuff here, all super high quality. And then of course, the nutrients that they have the coconut yogurt for the tummy. And these are all the wellness elixirs. This is my favorite, the ginger shot. Or if I'm feeling a little sloppy, this has got some beet juice. It tastes like an extremely spicy liquid ragu. And then these are the classic nut milks that have a little bit more oomph for your superfoods. And then these are all the juices. And then of course the raw food desserts. And they custom make your smoothies back here, your acai bowls. You can get anything that you want in it, and so you can work with the team. Look, they got Vitamineral Greens, Organifi, so plenty of high quality superfood companies are also sold here. And then of course my man Ilep, he's a bit of an alchemist here, and if you get the opportunity to buy this particular essential oil, your girlfriend will love you. They got jewelry here and stuff. It's just a good hangout to meet people in the local community. Look who we got over here, Ben Steezy in the house, local hip hop herbalist.
What's up, Ben?
Hey, this guy's the Sheila Jeet guy, and so check him out. Website's below. What do you got to say for the people?
We over here at local Juicery, loving our bodies, feeding our souls. I got some pure passion in my cup, powerful on my shirt, hanging out with the certified health nut.
And there's healers galore coming in and out. And so, such great people here. So when you guys come out and visit, say hi to everybody. Throw down in the local community. Ben Steez is the man.
Yeah, Ben Steez, sure. The hip hop herbalist. Check me out and come find me at local Juicery, like Monday through Sunday, pretty much.
So we got the local staff here, and you see these guys out at Ecstatic Dance all over the community. And so they're busy back there. So let's go find Mike and interview him and talk about, you know, why he created this and what his big dream and vision is. So we're with Mike, who owns the local Juicery. He's been a good friend for the last year. Your mother-in-law owns a Waldorf school. Your kids, I think we met through the Waldorf school. There's a lot of things that we connect with on, but please tell us a little bit about you. Somebody told me you were a Navy SEAL.
Yeah.
I never knew that, dude, and I know you're a humble guy. So just tell us.
Funny that you lead with that.
I was
going to try to keep that out of it. Yeah, no, I'm a longtime local. I was born in Sedona and raised here, and I met my wife here when we were in high school. And then she was on the journey with me for about 10 years while I was a Navy SEAL and deploying all over the Middle East and East Africa. We moved back here when I got out of the military, and we started local Juicery because there was nowhere in Sedona that had like the intersection of health and convenience, where we could get something organic and a complete meal that we felt good to feed our kids and ourselves that was quick. And so we saw the market space for it, and we said, hey, let's start a small business. And we had like 4 friends that we knew would be our customers. So we said, all right, if we're gonna eat there and we have at least 4 customers, let's give it a shot. And yeah, 7 years later, a couple other locations later.
You're in Flagstaff, right?
In Flagstaff, and we're opening in Uptown in January. So,
which is good because it's going to be a little bit of a coffee bar too.
Yeah,
it'll
full
be
espresso bar as well.
So
yeah.
It'll be another venue to come in and connect with people. So you've been open for 7 years. And I know you're working with the greenhouse project to get some of the compost out.
All of our organic eggs come from the Bent River Ranch, which is a local farm here. They just delivered to us about an hour ago. They give us some fresh peppers and kale, whatever they have in season, but the eggs year round. All of our composting, until we can really get our dehydrating game tight to do more like dehydrated flax crackers and stuff, all of our compost goes to the greenhouse project, and they make it into worm castings and grow food. So.
Sweet. So any other messages for the people out there?
Yeah, thanks for the support. We love being a community business that hopefully you guys enjoy, and a place to come and connect, because it's not just about the business, it's about the relationships, and having good nourishing food in your body is equally as important as having these good nourishing relationships in our life for our overall well-being. So thanks to you for bringing us all the love, and for everyone watching, welcome. Come see us.
Awesome. Yeah, come say hi, be part of the community hub, get some nutrition before the trails, get some nutrition after the trails. Say hi to Mike and his family. They got a really nice boutique next door, as well as plenty of good herbal medicine. And thank you so much, Mike.
Man.
You're awesome.
Thank you.
God bless.